Bosch GCM18V-07SN PROFACTOR Review. Cordless miter saw that delivers real pro results. You drag a heavy corded miter saw across a job site, spend 10 minutes hunting for an outlet, and by the time you are finally set up, your momentum is completely gone. I have watched an entire morning evaporate to cord logistics alone. That quiet, grinding frustration adds up every single day. Type guilty if this is honestly your life right now on active jobs. That suffocating cycle of cord dependency does not just waste time. It quietly kills your flow, your focus, and your ability to move the way a real installer needs to move. Every outlet hunt, every extension cord trip hazard, every repositioning break chips away at your productivity. What if cordless control was actually simple? Because the answer already exists, and it weighs just 26 pounds. Then I put the Bosch GCM18V-07SN PROFACTOR on the stand, and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any cordless miter saw. Make sure it has bi-turbo brushless technology with a high-output Core 18V battery, so you never feel that gutless, bogging, mid-cut embarrassment of a weak cordless saw ever again. That is the baseline this saw was engineered to demolish. Here are the 6 superpowers that actually matter. First, 3 3/4-inch nested crown capacity without a spacer, meaning real molding cuts, real professional results. Second, the 8 1/4-inch crosscut slides clean through wide-dimensional lumber in one confident pass. Third, the exact line shadow cut indicator puts the blade path right on the material, so alignment is instant and obvious. Fourth, the linear ball bearing slide system makes every pass feel smooth and controlled. Fifth, the forward sliding carriage collapses the footprint, so transport actually makes sense. Sixth, the toolless material clamp locks workpieces fast without breaking your rhythm. It was 2:47 in the morning, deckboards stacked everywhere, deadline in 4 hours. I ran 18 cuts on a 12 amp hour battery without a recharge and finished ahead of schedule. You can feel that kind of reliability before you even make the first cut. Once the cord disappears, everything downstream improves. Setup time drops. Repositioning becomes effortless. Your cut count per hour goes up because nothing is stopping you from moving when you need to move. That compounding efficiency shows up in your finished work, your timeline, and eventually your reputation on the job. Pro Tool Reviews tested the GCM18V-07SN PROFACTOR cutting through 4x4 pressure-treated pine and 1.5-inch thick oak and called it easy, consistent, and genuinely impressive for a cordless platform. Toolbox Buzz described it as the ultimate cordless miter saw and said the future of job site cutting is already here. One verified user on a 400 square foot deck job ran the entire cut list on a single 12 amp hour battery without one recharge. A TikTok installer with thousands of followers looked directly into the camera and said this is probably the best cordless miter saw I have ever used. And personally, I watched a trim carpenter finish an entire crown install faster cordless than his partner finished the same room with a corded saw plugged 3 feet away. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for the crown capacity, 2 for battery runtime, or 3 for the smooth slide system. Now, the objection. Single bevel only. Valid point. But if you do not regularly need double bevel cuts, you just saved weight, money, and complexity for zero actual loss on your work. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire mobile setup and never looked back at a single extension cord. The Bosch GCM18V-07SN PROFACTOR delivers professional-grade cordless miter saw performance in a package light enough to carry in one hand between cuts. If you are already in the Bosch 18-volt ecosystem, this is the saw that completes the picture. Results may vary based on battery and application. First link in the description, I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.